seen. Great. I've just spoiled my dress, but that's fine.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a video which is again the internet forced me to buy this because I've been seeing so much on the internet about these things that I thought why not give it a try. So I'm here. So let's quickly get started. So the first product is from the body care and the skincare category. The number one product I have is by Forest Essential. Now this is their Tejaswini Brightening Ghee Cream. I was honestly very dicey about this product for two reasons. Number one, extremely pricey, and I was super scared that if this doesn't work out for me, what do I do? And the second one is this is a ghee, which means already so much of oil, and I am a combination skin type. So my face already produces a lot of oil. But surprisingly, this did not break me out. And the best part is, all you have to do is just apply a little bit on your face and just massage your face and just leave it for good 10 to 20 minutes. That's up to you. And just take like a warm towel, like just soak the towel in the warm water and just clean your face, and that's it. Leave the excess that's there, just sleep with it, and when you wake up in the morning, you're just gonna wake up with a glowing skin, I promise. I had no expectations from it, but when I saw creators so raving so much about this product, I thought I have to give it a try. It's extremely pricey. This is for 1575, and this is the only brand I feel that doesn't come up with discounts at all. I've been following them for years and years. They would send you like complimentary minis, but they'll never come up with discounts. So yeah, I thought, I just have to try this and see how it feels, and it truly feels very amazing. So I highly recommend, if you're someone who loves skincare and want to invest in a good face massage cream, this is the one. This one will go for a very long time. I bought this, I think, few months back, and yeah, see, this is something that I've used. Also spoken about this product. This smells heavenly. This smells very good. If you're someone who loves Ayurveda, then you'll probably love it. If you're someone who doesn't like the herbal smell, then you would not love it, to be very honest. Let's move to another body care, which is now this. You would have seen. Great. I've just spoiled my dress, but that's fine. So you would have already seen कि Duff के बारे में बहुत, like, internet was going crazy in 2024. I got my hands on it. I tried it out. I'm gonna show it to you. I've used like a lot of it. This is, I'm like a lavender girl, so I got the lavender version. But I think the rice version would be also fantastic. This is really great. All you have to do is like take again very little and just scrub it on your palms and just scrub all over your hands and your body and your feet and your legs, and it feels like instantly you will feel your body like so supple, so soft. It really makes your skin very hydrated. I absolutely love it. If you're someone who wants like a mild exfoliator for your skin, I think this is like bang on. You have very different variation. I think there is um strawberry, there is rice, there is mango, so you can pick whatever you like. I am like a lavender girl. I actually get, you know essay, whatever you call it, it's like I get attracted to lavender, so I bought a lavender version for me. It's absolutely stunning. But if I have to recommend one uh variant from this, I think the rice one would be really good, because again, Korean skin का ट्रेंड चल रहा है, so rice would be like bang on, but you can try any of these and I think it is going to be fabulous. So this is something that I love. Now let's move to another product that I've been seeing a lot of people wearing, which is this one right here. Even I wore for my sister's wedding. I'm going to post a picture if I find it right here. Oh my god, this makes you look like some princess, like fairy tale ka princess. Honestly, I'm just going to put it right here. Okay, I'm just going to put it. The only thing that the thing is that you don't even want to see the bow. The moment you put like this part right here, when you see it, it instantly makes you feel like, say, like a princess. It's so good. I bought this, like, I was actually looking on the internet for it, and I was like, it's super expensive, like 1500, 2000. I got this from DIY for around, I think, 150 or 200. That's it. I just got there so many colors available, but the theme was burgundy for the marriage, so I bought this for myself. And I love it. I don't know. I have to get my hands on like white and all the pastel colors because the summer is gonna come very, very soon. We are sitting in January. But this one right here is so cool. I mean, I've seen so many creators out there and also girls in general wearing it on top of saris, dresses, like, that giving you that Pinteresty vibe. And even on saris, I mean, they look stunning. So I had to get my hands on it. So I bought it and I'm very happy with it. Next, let's move to makeup now. This is a primer. I am not sure why I stopped using primer. I stopped using primer about 3-4 years, like done. उसके बाद मैंने use ही नहीं किया है. And then there was so much that, as I'm aging, I can see like the pores and everything, and then your makeup actually doesn't glide properly, then it's cakey and all of those. So I thought, let's try. So I got like the Nykaa ka primer, and I must say you just need like a pea size, and it's so so stunning. It just keeps your makeup intact. It doesn't make you look cakey or shabby. It just keeps the foundation intact, and honestly your pores covers up and it looks stunning. I actually got like a mini version because I wanted to see how it performs, and then I'm going to get like a bigger version, but I'm surely getting my hands on this. This is, by the way, number one. Like, viewers have proudly ranked this as number one on Nykaa, so I think it's great, and yeah, I totally recommend this one. Next one again is a makeup, something that I usually don't use. I don't use like highlighter. I don't use like bronzer. I don't know how to use, and that's the reason, to be very honest. But I thought, why not get my hands on the Mars Face Kit? It is their Glow Visa palette. This is how it looks like. Now it has like a lot of shades. Okay, can you see? And I thought I got this under 300 rupees and it's stunning. I'm just going to show you like one color, like the lighter one maybe. It's so damn pigmented for the price. I hope you can see it. Or it's extremely like shimmer, but as soon as you put it on your like body, it just holds up. I'm actually going to show you two colors or maybe three. Yeah, I'm just going to swap it. This is how it looks. I'm just going to glide it right here. See if you can see it. Can you see that? It's super shimmery and it lasts. I mean, see? So I think I love it. And in case you get like a highlighter and you don't know what to do, okay? You don't know ki kya karna hai because you're not using it. You know, the best way to use it is take like your moisturizer, like your body moisturizer. Take like an ample of this, like just ऐसे swap करो उसको, okay? उसको ऐसे आपके हाथ में रब करो, and then with the moisturizer just mix it and apply it on your body. It is going to give you like that shine, that glow, that shimmer look, that shimmer effect. I used that for the wedding, I was like, what do I do with such big palette? Because I'm not going to use it. Like two shadis and then I'm done with it. What do I use? What do I do with this? I was like, you know what? Whenever I'm going out, I'm just going to take this. I'm going to mix this with especially with the Vaseline ka body lotion, the serum one. Just take that, apply it, and just apply it on your body. You're gonna smell great. You're gonna have like such shimmer body, and you are gonna feel super super stunning. So I absolutely love this one. So yeah, this is like, people were talking so much about the shimmer, and this one like super affordable category. I was like, I have to get my hands on it, and let's see, because it was under 300, I guess. I'm gonna check and I'm gonna put a price here or in the description box and even the link. So I think it was like bang on. So I bought my hands on that. No regrets. We can work it out, right? So I've got like one journal and one book. Like you would already know Mridul Sharma and her brand Simba Lifestyle. I got my playlist for the year 2025. It actually emphasizes on self growth. Extremely great book. I love the fact the way she has curated such a pretty journal this year, like with so many things included, like 25 things you want to do, you can write it right here. And then the activities that you can do, the monthly visions, if you can see. And also, the fun part is, for every month, she has like put like a music of Spotify, if you can see right here. So, all you have to do is scan it, and then the music plays. Isn't that fab? I mean, and with every month, she's put like a good vibe and theme to it, so that you adhere to it. And then yeah, it's easier. I love to make notes. This is something that I've been using and enjoying thoroughly. I also used her last year planner, which was again fabulous. This one is blues, and I think it's pretty good. And yeah, I honestly, I really love the concept of planners. And when you make it in such good way, you should like you should have a planner for yourself. I mean, it's fabulous. So, if you're someone who's looking for a planner or very confused, or you're a beginner, you can actually get your hands on this, which is by Simba Lifestyle. And Mridul already had like a great fan base and have worked herself out from like last one decade, I believe. Yeah. So, yeah, I love her work. I love to see how she's grown. And yes, I'm a fan for sure. And I love to encourage creators who come up with like these things. And it's all about support, right? So, I've seen a lot of creators talking about this, and I've personally used her products like last year. So, I thought, why not get my hands on it again? And yeah, it's great. Moving to the next one is, you would all know Prajakta Kohli. I mean, from where did that girl start and where is she? And so many of y'all support and love. I also do. I love her. I mean, that girl is like another level. So yeah, I really want to support her. And I saw so many, like thousands or lakhs of people going and buying this everywhere. It's been like there. She's been on a trip where she's promoting her book, the song that she released. This one is so so fab. I got my hands on this. I can't wait to dive in and read, because I've been reading so much about spirituality and intelligence that I really wanted to take a break and read a romance. किसने नॉक किया अभी? I really wanted to read like a romantic book, because that's my vibe. I love romance. I love stories. So I really wanted to get this, and there was so much of hype and vibe. Like lot of people have been talking about Avni, because the story is about Avni and Aman, by the way. And I think, yeah, a lot of people have been talking about it. So I wanted to get my hands on this, and I'm very excited. If you love books, let me know. I can make probably a shorts or I can just post it in the community. And yeah, you can have a look on what my review was. I know it is going to be stunning, but yes, in case you need, just put that in the comment section. So the last one is the female hygiene. I've been a girl, been on Whisper for years and decades now. This was the first time that I was trying another brand, because a lot of people out there, especially females, obviously, were talking about this. And this is the ultra safe sanitary pads. This is by Nuva. It is extremely great. The reason I bought this is because it comes in three types of flows. If you have heavy flow, medium flow, light flow, you can actually opt for the size of pad. And with that, it also says it is free from harmful chemicals, safe on the skin, safe from leaks, and has a secure shield. It is dermatologist tested, and the best one is it is cruelty free tested. Cruelty free tested, and that's the reason I really wanted to get my hand on a super clean product. I really love it. A lot of people out there, creators in general, were talking a lot about this product because it is extremely safe and it would not give you rashes and not give you that itchiness down there on in your vagina. So I thought, let's get my hands on this, and yeah, it's fab. I love it. And yeah, if you're someone who want to switch to another brand which is absolutely clean, I think you can get your hands on Nuva. It's great. I've been using this from 2 months now, and I think it's worth the hype. And yeah, I love it. So with that, it's all done. I hope you like this video. I really wanted to also come up with things that I use are genuinely very good. I also look at a lot of reels and shorts, and I see so many creators out there talking about it, and I can't resist but just go and buy it. So yeah, I did that, and I really hope you like these kind of videos. If you have anything or you think that there is a lot of hype about a product, let me know in the comments. Let's see if I can get my hands on it and then review it. And yes, with that, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.